Please raise your right hand. I, your name, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as your position of the Manila City Hall Press Club Incorporated. Preserve and uphold the Constitution and bylaws. Adhere to the mandate of my profession as a vanguard of the free and objective member of the press. I shall be a catalyst in delivering positive information that would help the Manila City government in promoting their vision and mission for the betterment of lives of Manileños and this nation. So help me God. Teka, pirmahan ko muna ito.